Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Foodie. Today we have a delicious pumpkin soup with coconut milk, ideal for cold autumn days. For the recipe, we'll need pumpkin, onion, garlic, ginger, and coconut oil for frying. Vegetable broth, coconut milk, curry powder, salt, pepper, and chili pumpkin is a perfect autumn vegetable. But even with the ingredients, it can really pump. It has decent vitamin C and beta carotene and these nutrients are excellent for the immune system, and it's also low in calories. Moreover, ginger is ideal for the cold season, having been used as a spice and remedy for centuries. When cooking pumpkin soup, I usually dice the whole pumpkin into small pieces and prepare a big pot. This way, the soup can be reheated perfectly, providing a nutritious and tasty meal for several days. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, if you're interested in more healthy, vegetarian, and quick recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The aroma is exquisite. Thank you for watching. Have fun recreating this recipe, enjoy your meal, and see you next time.